Hi friends, welcome to my channel. I am Swaroop Nadella. So today we will see the number pattern which is displayed on the screen. Here odd numbers we are printing only once. Even numbers are getting printed based on the row count. Like if the row number is 2, it is printing twice. Row number is 4, the values are printing 4 times. So we'll see how we can build this logic. So here since we have 9 rows, I am declaring int n equal to 9. So since we are printing the patterns, I'll be initially writing a for loop. I less than or equal to n, I plus plus. So this is the outer loop which will be helpful for navigating through the rows. And we'll write an inner for loop here. Int j equal to 1, int j less than or equal to. So here if we are giving the j value as n, so every row the values will get printed for 9 times. So we are only going to give the j less than or equal to I, so that based on the row count, that many values only will get printed here. Then j plus plus. So sys out, I'm going to pass the value of I here. So here the outer for loop will be taking care of the rows and inner for loop will be for the columns. So if I am giving the value of I, it will be taking the row value. So 1, 2, 3. So these are all row counts. So let's just so I'll be taking system.out.print so that there is no new line character after every element. So in the outer loop, I'll be giving the print statement with a new line character. So let's just print this and see how it is. So as you see, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, like this pattern is getting displayed. But our expectation is that the odd elements should be printed only once. So we have to customize our particular program in slightly so that only the odd numbers will be printed only once. So for this purpose, we have a concept called modulo or remainder concept in Java. So modulo is an arithmetic operator. This is denoted by percentage. So for example, if we have two values like a and b, and a is the dividend and b is the divisor. So what we have to do, if we are applying a percentage b, then the remainder value will be coming up. So here, if the value of a is less than b, then the value of a will be returned, which is the numerator here. So this is the concept of modulo or remainder in Java. So I'll be using this percentage symbol, which is the modulus. So here we have to give an if condition, because whenever the value is an odd number, so that condition we will write now. So if I percentage 2 double equal to 1. So what this denotes, so if the value of is divisible by 2, then it will return 0. But since this is an odd number, so the value, if it is divisible by if it is an odd number, the value will return 1, because every odd number will have a consecutive even number. So if you are dividing the odd number by 2, every time it will come as 1, the remainder. So what we have to do, we'll print the value of I. And here another thing is like after printing the value of I, so odd number should get printed only once. So I am going to give a break statement. What this break statement will do is it will break this for loop. So the inner for loop will get broken whenever an odd number is there. So the value will get printed only once. So since there is an if condition, there should be an else block also. And this statement we will be giving here. So whenever there is an even number, it will get printed based on how many times the j is iterating. But in case of odd number, it will print only once. Since there is a break statement, the inner for loop will get broken down. So let's see if the desired pattern is coming or not. So as you see, the pattern is coming up, but there is a small issue here. So since we have used system.out.println, so let me remove the ln here. So I'll be printing, executing the program again. So if you see, the odd numbers are printing now only once, and the even numbers are printing based on the row count. So here we have applied the concept of modulo or remainder in Java. This is an arithmetic operator, percentage symbol, and double equal to is a comparison operator. So whenever this value is equal to 1, it is an odd number. So whenever an odd number is there, uh, the value will be printed only once, and the inner loop will get broken down, and it will continue for the subsequent values for even numbers. So in this program, we have seen this number pattern. Hope you like the video. Thank you for watching. If you like the content, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.